Hi guys, Aries, Hardware Busters. This video I want to report something that happened to me, and I believe that it is super weird, and since it can happen to anyone, I want to investigate that more, and I want to shed more light in what happened and why this happened. Okay, the story goes like that. We have 6 Microsoft 365 Business Basic accounts, okay? And these accounts provide email and access to online office features. For example, Word and other applications, you can only use them online and you cannot download them in your desktop PCs. Okay. I wanted to see how much more expensive is the Microsoft 365 Business Standard, okay, for these 6 licenses. So while I was, because the Business Standard allows you to download the applications on your systems, okay. So I was fooling around in Administrator console in the Microsoft Business account, and while I was looking around, I didn't even realize how that happened, but the program got updated to Business Standard for all 6 licenses, without me hitting something that finish, do it, or something like that. It just happened. Don't ask me, I don't know how that happened. Anyway, let's say that it was my mistake. Let's say that, okay. And I have to state here that the Microsoft Business Standard is twice more expensive than the Business Basic. For example, they asked me to pay 400 euros for the 6 license for Business Basic for 1 year, and the Business Standard is 864, if I remember correctly, euros for the same 6 licenses. So, once I saw that this happened, I fired up an email to Microsoft Help and Support and I say, hey guys, I accidentally activated Business Standard. I don't need that, it's too expensive for me, for my needs. I want to revert it back to Business Basic because, guess what? There was no option, guys, to downgrade. The only options that Microsoft provides, it's to upgrade only for upgrade. There's no downgrade. And I say, hey guys, I want to upgrade, to downgrade, I don't want to continue. And another fact that plays an important role here is that I had the Business Basic programs started 3 months ago, okay? I had the subscription which started in September 2023 and ends in September 2024. So when I went to cancel the upgrade that I did by mistake within some minutes, 15 or 20 minutes, the system told me you cannot cancel because your program is active for more than 3 months. And I said, what the hell, man? The program that I have more than 3 months activated, the subscription, is the Business Basic. I just did the damn Business Standard thing. I want to revert it back. No, the system didn't let me do that. Okay, I fire up an email at Microsoft Support. A guy handled that matter. He called me several times. He was going in remotely to my system to help me through the Microsoft administration control to show me stuff. He basically did nothing there, but anyway. And in the end, after numerous conversations with this guy through phone, he assured me that his supervisor mentioned that they won't charge me for the Business Standard because even this guy, guys, Microsoft 365 ambassador, his job description, he couldn't downgrade for standard. And I told this guy specific, hey man, I did a mistake. The 6 license, the license that I have from basic, I want them to standard, but immediately called you, immediately sent an email, and I told you I want to revert it again back to the basic program that I had. What he replied to me? I cannot do that. How crazy is that? The Microsoft support guy told me that he cannot, even him, downgrade my program. And he mentioned that, okay, we cannot downgrade, we will let you keep the Business Standard because we cannot downgrade that for you and you won't be charged. You won't pay the difference. And he told me everything is okay, feel free to close that ticket, we will take care of that, no need for you to pay. And guess what? 1 month afterwards, after that incident, a bill came from Microsoft for an extra 360 euros for the business standard package, which I do not want and I do not need. Despite what Microsoft support told me that this matter was resolved. If Microsoft thinks that they will bring more business and more money by following such schemes, I don't know. I thought that Microsoft, it's a serious company, but when I see such stuff happening to me, I'm seriously wondering what will be next. They let you upgrade, they don't let you to revert back. Even their support staff doesn't know anything about that, how to help you. They say something and in the end, this doesn't apply. I thought that they were there to support my business, not trying to rip me off. When I buy something, I always have the right, especially in the first minutes after I bought it and I didn't want it, to revert it back, especially when we are talking about packages, software packages like that. But for Microsoft, no. When you do that, no, there's no way back, you have to pay us. Where did they find that? Seriously now. I lost so much time talking to this guy. That guy cared, he tried to make something, but in the end, nothing of what he told me applied. Nothing. The only thing that it mattered to them, it's to charge me twice as much because I have the business standard, which I told them from the first minute, hey guys, it's a mistake, I don't want it. What the hell, guys? What is going on with it here? I don't know. I'm expecting to hear your comments. Obviously, there's something seriously wrong with Microsoft, and I want to hear if you have anyone from you that watches this video, if he has the same experience as me. We need to find a way. We need to find a way to protect ourselves. This is not fair. It's not a fair game, guys. They can do everything they want, but there is no supervision by anyone. They sell you stuff which you cannot revert back if you don't want it, and they charge you. And now I don't know what will happen. I have a subscription that ends in September 2024, and I don't know what it will happen. Most likely, I will lose money and I will move all our email accounts in our business to another more reliable provider, which is Clear. Anyway, that's my sad story. I just wanted to warn you guys, especially if you have Microsoft Office 365 accounts. Do not fool around the administrator center. Do not fool around with your license. Do not try to see what extra packs the other programs have, because most likely you will end up into one of these programs and you won't be able to revert back and you will have to pay more money to Microsoft. I know, I'm so pissed right now about that. I don't want to say anything more. Talk to you next video. Bye.